I started out the day being first in line by arriving an hour early at Gikatsu Motomura. Their speciality is deep-fried beefsteak that comes rare in the middle and you grill on a hot plate in front of you. As I left, there was already an hour wait behind me. It was back to our favorite ramen shop for one last meal.
We're going home now. I did it.
You did it. Good job.
We then headed to Nakano Broadway, a place sometimes referred to as the mini Akihabara. We were immediately drawn into a jewelry store and ended up buying a really cool necklace. The mall is known for its extensive collection of geek and otaku paraphernalia, as well as some very expensive watches, with some costing over $60,000, as well as its doll collections. There are numerous things to get the nostalgia train rolling, from Beetlejuice to this $150 Luke Skywalker, to Kaneda, or Tetsuo, or Godzilla, or these nightmare-inducing Pinocchios. But for me, it was these Happy Meal toys that were actually Transformers I used to have as a kid. After that, we went to meet up with some friends I've known since childhood who happened to be living in Japan. We went to the Apollo in Ginza, which was an amazing tapas place, and had some delicious food there. We then finished off the night with a visit to this really interesting underground bar. Thanks for watching. Make sure you like, subscribe, and leave a comment down below. See you guys in the next one.